Well, here I am testing out my PlayStation Eye camera that I got with my 320 gig PS3 Move bundle. I just downloaded drivers to get this thing to work with Windows 7 on my piece of shit computer. As you can see, there it is. There's my games and my old PS3. I didn't even hook up the new one yet. I just tried to record a video on Facebook, but the audio wouldn't come out, but the video did. So anyway, this is the Move controller. Look at the squishy ball. It's made of the same material that they make baby pacifiers and the bottle nipples out of. That's pretty cool. Look at my cat over there chilling. My other cat's chilling. Yeah, so this is just a test video to see how the camera looks on my computer. I think it looks pretty damn good. What's this do? Whoa, that's pretty neat. Alright, see you later.